Hey, I wanted to show you again how to add and subtract sections of this coolant hose here. You just simply pop the pieces off like that. Basically, it's a ball and socket, and you just rotate the socket on the ball, and they pop right out. And when you want to put them back together, I use a vise. You don't want to crunch it. You just want to gently hold the part. And I like to press straight away. And you have to support and guide the piece you're trying to pop into the socket. And you can hear it snap into place. And I'll do another one here. This stuff is easy to crunch. And now I'm going to be supporting this piece. There you go. That's how you do it. Really easy to work with and enjoyable to have around.